Hi, I'm Kurt, and I welcome you to Julius Sturgis Pretzel Bakery, America's first and oldest commercial pretzel bakery located in beautiful, charming, and historic Lititz, Pennsylvania. First thing you want to do is make a U with the outstretched arms representing the children's prayers going to heaven. The next thing, I want to take one arm, put it over, then take the bottom arm, twist it over to form a knot. This represented the children's parents' marital vows, or tying the knot. We're going to give little indentions. We're going to fold those arms down, and we have a pretzel. Tours fill up quickly, so reserve your spot today at juliussturgis.com. See you soon.